latest sensor technology and the Umbrella H2 image processor, EVO captures every stunning moment at 60 frames per second, up to 100 megabits per second. Precision glass optics and a 94-degree field of view provide sharp, clear images like this. Computer vision is the next evolution of obstacle avoidance. Binocular vision sensors on the front of EVO and 2 on the bottom help EVO create a 3D world and recognize its surroundings. These sensors combined with the camera allow EVO to track and recognize its subject while still avoiding obstacles in its path. EVO still has you covered when flying in reverse with rear-facing IR obstacle avoidance. EVO keeps up with fast-moving subjects and records action like never before. An intuitive controller that is easily mastered operates EVO even without a mobile device. The 3.3-inch OLED screen displays basic telemetry as well as live view from the camera. The all-new Autel Explorer app downloads to your mobile device and unlocks EVO's full potential. A familiar design, intelligent flight modes, and the 1080p live view make the Autel Explorer app a very powerful tool. Change color profiles and camera settings for a streamlined post-production workflow. Use Dynamic Track to act as your second pilot or camera operator. Viewpoint to quickly scout a new area just by tapping on the screen. The Autel Explorer app provides you with all of the information needed for the pilot to evaluate their flight, such as weather, flight zone restrictions, flight logs, and aircraft performance data. EVO is about power in a portable package. Fly longer and more reliably with up to 30 minutes of flight time, radio reception of over 4.3 miles. A longer range means a more stable connection in different environments. All of this is backed up by best-in-class 7 days a week customer service based out of Seattle, Washington. Autel Robotics. EVO, the evolution of flight.
I know what I'm good for. Yeah. It's just going to track me around the cage. As I move closer, you can see the camera is going to pan down. So that's a pretty simple move as an operator, right? That's just a switch on the controller. I move back, it pans back up to keep me in the middle of the frame. If I move right, it moves right. If I move left, I move left. Now this is doing object tracking and smart predictions. So if I were a cyclist, let's say, it's going to predict my momentum and keep following it. So if a tree or something got in between the cyclist and the aircraft, it's going to try to keep that trajectory going to catch it on the other side of the tree. Now we get into a little bit more complex moves as I move closer, again panning down, and when I start rotating around the aircraft, now we're panning and rotating. Andrew's a pretty darn good pilot, but that's a pretty complex move to do via manually. By just doing it automatically, you can focus on other aspects of your shot, maybe exposure or something else, and just let the drone do the work for you. So that's going to be our dynamic tracking on the EVO. Let's give it up for dynamic tracking. That's actually pretty cool, right?